I'm going to be showing you how to plant your seeds. Just to let you know, gloves are optional. So, you should first have some medium. You will need to measure out 4 liters in total. After measuring, pour the medium into a bin for mixing. Then, add some pre-measured fertilizer. It's 10 grams per liter, so it's a total of 40 grams for the 4 liters. Use your hands to mix it in. Now add 1,600 milliliters of water. Make sure to mix until it is completely moist. Make sure the medium clumps together, or else it will fall out of the holes of the bottom of the pot. When adding the medium to the pots, make sure you fill it up to the line. Tap the medium down, but do not compress the soil. Make sure your labels have the date and the GBE number found on the lid of the Eppendorf tubes. Create 2 holes, each half a centimeter deep and 1 centimeter apart, and make sure they are in the center of the pot. Add 1 seed in each hole. This is what your pot should look like at the end. You will assign each pot a number 1 through 8. You will then go to random.org. Once there, you will select sequences, which is under numbers. Once you arrive at the random sequences generator, you will assign 1 as the smallest value and 8 as the largest value, and you will format it in 2 columns. You will then select Get Sequence. Use the sequence as a reference to place your numbered pots in the tray. This is an example of how your arrangement should look depending on the sequence generated. This is a spreadsheet you will receive. You will need to do a couple of things to prepare your spreadsheet. First, you will need to fill out the corresponding GBE number with the tray position. In these columns, you will add the species or variety name corresponding to the GBE number. You will also need to fill in the number of seeds planted, which is 2. This is an example of what it will look like. In these columns, you will record the day germination first occurs and the number of seeds that are germinated. Where it says planting date, record the date that you planted the seeds. Thank you for watching.